Laboratory teaching and discussing about Rule 7 to Rule 10. Rule 7 covering risk of collision, which warns that assumptions shall not be made on the basis of scanty information, especially scanty radar information. Every vessel shall use all available means appropriate to the prevailing circumstances and conditions to determine if risk of collision exists. Rule 8 covers action to be taken to avoid collision. Any action taken to avoid collision shall be taken in accordance with the rules of this part and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, be positive, made in ample time and with due regard to the observance of good seamanship. Rule 9 narrow channels. A vessel the passage of which is not to be impeded remains fully obliged to comply with the rules of this part when the two vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length or a sailing vessel shall not impede the passage of a vessel which can safely navigate only within a narrow channel or fairway. Rule 10 traffic separation schemes. This rule applies to traffic separation schemes adopted by the organization and does not relieve any vessel of her obligation under any other rule. So far as practicable, keep clear of a traffic separation line or separation zone. Normally join or leave a traffic lane at the termination of the lane. But when joining or leaving from either side shall do so at as small an angle to the general direction of traffic flow as practicable.